Hello, future participants of AEGE Summer University. The aim of this introduction is to tell you some tips about the Camino de Santiago that sure you are going to do in the next months. In my case, I've been doing this Camino Santiago since the 9th of April. I'm walking for 20 days. Doing Camino Santiago is a great experience so far. I've met a lot of people with some interesting stories of their lives. It's not only about meeting people, but it's just also all the pictures you see, the places you meet. One of the most important things you have to keep in mind is doing the Camino is great, Santiago is the goal, but better enjoy the way you are doing to reach this goal. Of course, getting Santiago is going to be for me and for you great experience, but try to get the best during the way, in the time you are doing the Camino. Just tips, important, have a good stamina, and you have to be in good mood every day. When you wake up at 7 in the morning, come on, cheer you up, you can do it. It's only 30 kilometers. It's just like going to the supermarket, going back 30 times. It's important, change your socks, especially if you are doing in summer, at least one time during the journey, the day. It's important for the blisters. And don't be afraid if you are not super athletics or you are not in great shape, but just please take care of the foot, the most important things. Your shoes, blisters, please use Vaseline, Vaseline could sound a bit strange, but what I mean, what is the most important part of the body is the feet. Take care of them. Eat a lot, especially at dinners. Just good mood, good spirit, be open, mentally open, talk to everybody, and just enjoy this wonderful experience. Ciao.
Thank you, Manu.